What if I told you there's a simple drink you can take every single night that helps flatten your belly while you sleep? No gym. No starvation. No expensive supplements. Just one natural drink that targets stubborn belly fat, improves digestion, and resets your metabolism overnight. The problem? Most people are drinking the wrong things at night, and that's exactly why belly fat refuses to go away. Stay with me, because by the end of this video you'll know what to drink, why it works, and how to use it correctly for fast results. Belly fat is not just about appearance. It's linked to insulin resistance, hormonal imbalance, slow metabolism, and inflammation. Many people eat healthy, but still struggle with belly fat because their night routine is sabotaging fat burning. Late dinners. Sugary drinks. Cold beverages. Poor digestion before sleep. And that's where tonight's solution comes in. Why does belly fat cling on even when you eat less? Why does weight loss feel impossible after a certain age? Why do cravings hit hardest at night? The answer is simple: your metabolism shuts down when your digestion is weak and your hormones are off. But what if you could flip that switch before bedtime? The secret is not a pill. It's not a detox tea. It's a science-backed nighttime drink that reduces inflammation, improves insulin sensitivity, supports liver fat burning, and calms nighttime hunger hormones. Most people have heard of it, but almost nobody uses it the right way. Warm ginger plus lemon plus cinnamon water. This combination works because it targets the real cause of belly fat, not just calories. Ginger, fat-burning activator. Boosts thermogenesis, fat-burning heat. Reduces bloating and water retention. Improves insulin sensitivity. Speeds up digestion before sleep. Lemon, liver detox support. Supports liver fat metabolism. Reduces sugar cravings. Helps regulate blood sugar overnight. Cinnamon, blood sugar controller. Prevents insulin spikes. Reduces nighttime fat storage. Keeps metabolism active during sleep. Studies show that stable blood sugar at night equals less fat storage. Inflammation around the gut and liver is a major driver of belly fat. This drink lowers inflammation and keeps digestion active without disturbing sleep. How to prepare it? 1 cup warm water, not hot. 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger or ginger powder. Juice of half a lemon. A pinch of cinnamon. Drink 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Common mistakes, very important. Drinking it ice cold. Adding honey or sugar. Drinking immediately after a heavy meal. Expecting results without fixing late-night snacking. When you'll see results. Less bloating in 3 to 5 days. Flatter stomach within 1 to 2 weeks. Reduced cravings at night. Better sleep and digestion. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe to Healthy Living Guide, and check out the next video on foods that melt belly fat naturally.